Hello everyone. Welcome to our second episode of the Easy Crosshair System tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on how to design animations and how to run them in gameplay. Let's get started. Here, this is our shotgun crosshair we did at last episode, and let's look at here for easy access. You can access animations from here. And when you create an animation, you have to name it because you're going to run animation with this name. So, let's name it as a shoot. And in here, animation preview menu, you can access shoot animation. And when I play, nothing happens because I don't have any layer. Animation layers are part of the animations, and you can define more than one layer ideally. Let's create a transfer animations because then we can make a shoot animation. So I will make it 250 to 350 for shoot. So in animation, transform animations, you can access animation curve for XYZ motion, scale curve for, the XYZ is XY and rotation, Z is rotation. For scale curve, it's control scales. Mirror curve mirrors, animation curve values. XYZ, you can ignore them. And you can set the playback type. This is really useful for in and out animations. Target layers for targeting, and animation duration for define how long is animation. So, let's go to the curves and create a new curve. You can access curves from here and you can select the vector curve. Vector curve, shoot. In this animation, I'm only going to use x-axis, so I will add a 3 keys. Yes. This is going to be 1, this is going to be 0.5, and this is going to be 0. I will set 0.5, I will set 0 as 250 because that's where it starts. I will set 0.5 to 350 because it's where it goes. And I'm going to go back to 250. And this is how my curve looks like. Let's save and exit. Then I'm going to put my animation curve here, and then I'm going to ignore X, Y, and scale parts. And I will make it forwards, and I will add target layers. Target layers is actually which layers are going to be affected by this animation. So, I'm going to copy right part to here, and I'm going to run animation. Looks good, but it's a little bit slow. Let's make it fast, but decrease animation duration. That's better. So last, now let's duplicate this. With duplication, I can just mirror the curve value and change target layer to left, right part to left part. So this motion will going to be mirrored. So yes, it's pretty easy. Let's see. Now, as a last part, I'm going to add a color animation for the hit marker. So let's add one more layer, just going to be hit marker. And I'm going to use hit marker texture. So let's go to hit markers. And I'm going to use that one for a shotgun. Now, I have to adjust scale, so I will a little bit zoom from the editor panel. Let's scale down a little bit. Looks good at the moment. Let's reset the scale. Zoom, I mean. Okay, good. Now, we're going to create a color curve for this. Actually, it's really similar, but we only have one curve here. Textures. Let's go to curve. Liner color curve. Shoot. I only want to make, I will delete all the keys here at the moment. Here, I will. Going to use alpha channel for transparency. This is going to be 0. I will add 3 keys. 1 will be 0, 0.5 will be 1, and this is going to be a 0, 0. So, this is my curve. Good. Let's save. Let's go to animation curve and add that curve. And I'm going to ignore RGB channels because I don't find a color here. I only want to adjust with the alpha channel. And let's set default alpha channel 0 because I don't want to make it visible at startup. So I'm going to shoot here. Nothing happens because I didn't add the target layer. So, as the last part, Let's add a hit marker. And let's shoot. Good. But direction is not set as correctly because they are 0.5 and this is 1. So let's make it all same and shoot. Very good. It works. So let's go to integration part. In your gameplay code, you can call this whenever you want, but especially in the where your shoot logic happens. But you can just run the caller run animation methods. Can just send it here, and you can just type shoot, the name of the animation you want to run. Good. Let's save. Compile. And let's play. So when I click on the left mouse button, you can see the animation happens here. That's all. Thank you for watching.